In this video, let me show you how to use Shein Klarna or Afterpay to pay in full. So in order to use these platforms inside of Shein, you just need to head over to the checkout section, and when you're checking out, you need to select one of these options. So let me quickly show you. Just head over to the checkout section once you selected your item inside of Shein, and if you scroll down on the payment methods, you'll be able to see the option which says buy now, pay later. There are 4 options in total. You can see the Afterpay on the top and then the Klarna option on the bottom. Depending upon which account that you have, you can select one of these options and then tap on confirm. If you already have an account, you can simply log into your account, and if you are a first-time user, you'll need to follow the prompts to create Klarna or the Afterpay account if you don't yet already have an account. Once you confirm your order, your first 25% installment will be charged right here at the checkout, and the remaining 3 payments will be automatically deducted from your linked card every 2 weeks. So this is the exact thing that you need to follow, either the Afterpay or the Klarna option. You can simply select and then tap on the confirm option. So that's exactly it on how you do it. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.